Hi, today we're going to be making two things with asparagus. The first one is an asparagus prosciutto, which starts off with some French bread, and then you put a layer of pesto on top of that, followed by heirloom tomato slice, fresh mozzarella, topped with grilled asparagus, and drizzled with a balsamic reduction. The reduction gives you a sweeter taste, followed by a couscous asparagus mixture, which is basically Middle Eastern couscous, asparagus, brown prosciutto, shallots, and mixed up. Take your asparagus and cut them in half so that when you put them on the bread, it doesn't roll off. Otherwise, you'll get it rolling around. You take your asparagus, put it in the pan with about 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and add your garlic pepper and cook them for 5 or 6 minutes until they're done. After you cut up your bread, you add a thin layer of pesto and add each remaining layer. Next would be the heirloom tomato, then sliced up fresh mozzarella, and you add on the asparagus that you just cooked. And finally, you take your balsamic reduction and you drizzle it all over the bruschetta. There you go. While the couscous is cooking, you can prepare the other items. Something to note is for the prosciutto, have them slice it really thin so it doesn't compete with the asparagus flavor. What we're going to do is take the prosciutto and very lightly heat it up and kind of crisp it to give it a little texture and bring out the flavor a little bit more. Also, the shallots, you want to slice them thin. We're going to cook those in a little bit of olive oil to bring out those flavors. After you're done cooking the asparagus, you save about a cup of the water, and I save the tops for dressing the couscous. Then I take the balance of the asparagus and add some of the water and make a puree. Once the couscous is done, mix all of it together in a bowl and add some sea salt, bring out some more of the flavors. And I wait to add the asparagus till the very end to dress it up and present it.
And now we eat the delicious treat.